Have you ever noticed how water absorbs everything around it? It absorbs energy, it absorbs vibration, and according to many spiritual practices, it can also absorb intention. Now imagine this. Every single day, you drink water without realizing that it may carry the energy of your thoughts directly into your body. What if your words, your emotions, and your beliefs could transform the energy of the water you drink? Today, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful manifestation rituals, known as the water manifestation technique. A simple yet deeply emotional practice that thousands of people use to attract love, money, healing, peace, confidence, and success into their lives. And the best part? You need only one glass of water and your intention. So before we begin, close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, what is the one thing I truly want to manifest in my life right now? Because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to send that desire into the universe.
Step 1. Understand the power of water. Friends, water is not just a liquid. Your body is almost 70% water. That means every thought you think, every emotion you feel, creates vibrations inside you. Many spiritual teachers believe that water responds to emotions and frequencies. Positive words create uplifting energy, while negative thoughts lower your vibration. This is why your mindset matters. If you constantly say, "I am unlucky, I never succeed, nothing works for me," then your energy starts carrying that belief. But when you consciously change your words and emotions, you begin changing your internal vibration. And manifestation always begins within. The water manifestation technique works because it combines focus, emotion, intention, belief, and visualization. These 5 things together create powerful, energetic alignment.
Step 2. Take a clear glass of water. Now, let's begin the ritual. Take a clean glass of water. It can be normal drinking water, but while holding the glass, do not rush. This is not just water anymore. This is now becoming a carrier of your intention. Hold the glass gently with both hands. Feel its temperature. Become fully present. No distractions, no overthinking, no doubt. Just you, your energy, and your desire.
Step 3. Get clear about your desire. This is the most important step. The universe responds to clarity. If your thoughts are confused, your energy becomes confused. So decide clearly. What do you truly want? Maybe it is financial abundance, a loving relationship, healing, confidence, success in trading, peace of mind, a new opportunity. Choose one intention, not 10, 1. Because focused energy is powerful energy. Now convert your desire into a present tense affirmation. For example, I am attracting financial abundance. I am healthy and healed. I am confident and successful. Love flows naturally into my life. Speak as if it is already happening. Not I want, but I have. Not I wish, but I am. Because manifestation works through identity, not desperation.
Step 4. Speak your intention into the water. Now comes the magical part. Hold the glass close. Look at the water and slowly speak your affirmation into it. Not casually, emotionally. Feel every word. Say it 3 times. For example, I am attracting unlimited abundance into my life. I am attracting unlimited abundance into my life. I am attracting unlimited abundance into my life. As you speak, imagine your words entering the water like energy waves. Feel gratitude. Feel certainty. Feel emotion. Because emotion is the language of manifestation. The universe does not respond to empty words. It responds to feeling. Step 5. Visualize your desire as already real. Close your eyes while holding the water. And now, imagine. Your manifestation has already happened. See it clearly. If it's money, see yourself financially free. If it's love, feel the happiness of being loved. If it's success, imagine achieving your dream life. Do not watch it like a movie. Feel it like a memory. Experience the emotions now. Happiness, relief, gratitude, peace. Stay in this visualization for at least 30 seconds. Because the stronger the emotion, the stronger the energetic imprint.
Step 6. Drink the water slowly. Now, slowly drink the water. With every sip, imagine that energy entering your body. Imagine every cell absorbing your intention. This moment is powerful. Because now, you are not just thinking about your manifestation. You are embodying it. You are becoming energetically aligned with it. And alignment is the secret behind manifestation. Step 7. Release doubt and trust the universe. After completing the ritual, do not obsess. Do not chase. Do not constantly ask, when will it happen? Why hasn't it happened yet? Because doubt blocks manifestation. Trust is magnetic. The universe works in unseen ways. Sometimes manifestations arrive quickly. Sometimes they take time. But every time you practice with faith, you strengthen your vibration. And eventually, your outer reality begins matching your inner energy.
The best time to do water manifestation? You can practice this early morning, before sleep, during meditation, during full moon rituals. Nighttime is especially powerful because your subconscious mind becomes more receptive before sleep. But remember, the timing is not more important than your belief. Most people fail because they do it without emotion. They constantly doubt. They focus on lack. They become desperate. They keep changing desires every day. Manifestation is not about forcing. It is about aligning. The moment your energy changes, your reality starts shifting. Friends, maybe the water itself is not magic. Maybe you are the magic. Maybe this technique simply helps you focus your thoughts, your emotions, and your belief into one powerful intention. And when mind, emotion, and energy align together, life begins to transform. So tonight, before you sleep, take one glass of water. Speak your dream into it. Feel it. Believe it. Drink it. And then, allow the universe to do the rest. Because sometimes, the smallest rituals create the biggest transformations. If this video touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful manifestation techniques and spiritual awakening content. And comment below, what are you manifesting into your life? Because your words carry energy,
And today, your manifestation journey begins. Thank you.